updates nila Maymay Entrata at Joaquin Enriquez. And enjoy pa nga sila together, mamasyal dyan sa US. Happy birthday kay Joaquin Enriquez. Mayroon pang sweet message si Maymay. Ang sabi niya, I think I love most about you. It's your heart. The way is filled with so much passion, so much courage, and so much strength. You don't even realize how brightly you shine, my love. But I see it always see it. You know, every step you take forward is a moment. I'm proud to witness every late night, every sacrifice, every small win. I see it all, and I honored to stand behind you, cheering for you, believe in you, even on the days you doubt yourself. You are my person, and it's privilege to walk this life with you, even sometimes. That means stand quietly and behind the camera, capturing the moment that show the world I already know that you in destiny to greatness to for all glory the God. Happy birthday, my love. I love you to forever. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Twitch Short Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.